Good morning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Micheline Del Rosario Coloma. I'm 28 years of age. I'm in a common law partner with Cristo Jenner Agimpayan and we have one child. I graduated as Bachelor of Nursing in Pan Pacific University, North Philippines, and I work as a caregiver in Doha, Qatar for more than 2 years.
Okay, and when did you go to Qatar to work as a caregiver?
I went to Qatar January 16, 2013 until March 1, 2015.
Okay. And as a caregiver, you were taking care of an elderly?
Yes, sir.
And how old was your patient?
She is 86 years of age, sir.
86.
Yes, sir.
And what is her condition? Bedridden?
Paralyzed.
Paralyzed.
Paralyzed, sir.
Okay. And how many are there in the family?
There are 7 members in the family, including my patient, sir.
Okay. And what are your duties as caregiver?
My duties as a caregiver in Doha, Qatar, I prepare and administer medicine for my patient. I give her food and prepare her food, and I iron and wash her clothes, sir.
Okay. And you mentioned that you have a child.
Yes, sir.
How old is your child?
She is 5 years old, sir.
5 years old.
Yes,
and
sir.
who's going to take care of your daughter when you work in Hong Kong?
My mother and my sister were gonna be taking care of my daughter if ever you will select me to work in Hong Kong, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I heard from my relatives and friends that Hong Kong is a very nice place and the people of Hong Kong are very nice, very kind, and I want to earn and save money for my family and for my daughter's future.
Okay. Micheline, are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir. I am willing.
Are you scared to big dogs?
No, sir.
Okay. Can you sing one children's song for us?
The incy-wincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the incy-wincy spider crawled up the spout again.
Okay. And what is your message to your future employer?
Sir, ma'am, if ever you will give me a chance to work in your family, I will do all the best that I can to serve your family, and I will listen and follow your instructions very carefully.
Very well said, Micheline Coloma, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.